I got it.
Cat said, "What's up with this?"
Right? The cat's like, dude, you birds aren't afraid of me? You're my cat just looking.
He's going now.
This is amazing. Aw. Don't hurt the birdies, kitty. That is so cute. That is amazing. How long is this gonna last? Oh.
Oh. I don't know. He's kind of.
Uh-oh. Get away, birdies.
No.
Get away, birdies.
Get away, birdies.
I don't want you guys to get hurt.
Yeah, it went too. They're all uncomfortable with each other.
What are they doing so close to him?
Yeah.
I don't understand what you birdies are doing so close to this cat.
They put their nest in that tree or something?
Maybe the bird's too close to their nest.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe the cat's too close to their nest. That's what I meant. Uh-oh. Get away, cat. Bye-bye. Oh, they're chasing him. The birds are chasing the cat.
Yeah, they got a nest nearby.
Oh, my goodness. I cannot believe the birds just chased the cat away. That's my window now. There's the bird. Oh my goodness. How far are you guys gonna chase this cat? Oh my god. That was amazing. I almost want to go outside. That was incredible. I cannot believe that, Dad.